na mbere anyiti itemi nimatiganite nimagithiite kana agubacirira maria maturigiceirie nimaikitie riitana kuri muingi gukorwo ukiigiririka na Makiaria hari uitangii wa gikoo na njira itari ya kihariro gukiri uguo kana Makiaria mari mwena wa kaunti wa Nanyuki guku ni kaunti ya Laikipia nimacakaite wongerereku wa uitangii wa gikoo na njira itari ya kihariro undu uria uigite kana uigite maria maturigiceirie hatikaini.
An annual global social event that is aimed at combating solid waste problem. Our planet, the Earth, is the only home we have. It provides us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the resources that sustain our lives. Yet, it is in great danger, and we are the cause.
Wish all the residents we join hands to ensure that our environment is clean.
Awareness of the need for a clean environment to an all-time high. This year's World Cleanup Day celebrations will be guided by the theme, Think Before You Trash It. The slogan emphasizes the importance of saving the earth by reusing and recycling waste. It's the responsibility of public entities, county governments, private sector, and individuals to ensure waste generated is collected, segregated, and trashed in accordance with environmental laws.
Na riboti yo kuma kaunti ya Laikipia egi Uthaitiri wa maria maturigiceirie ni iragitweka mweke ningi twikorwo tukihiuka nginya kuria matukaini na kuo tukirora uria giikarite no ngai kuririkania githi na mbere na kwirorera na kutwihokera wiroreri waku ni amu guku ngikwira tutigikuheaga cia nginyanirio tutigikuheaga cia mihuhu no indi twikuheaga ndeto thuranire na kana na nginyaniru na iria irakuhutia o we kumagia hau haku njagithi na mbere na kwaraniria na nie kugerera mutambo witu wa Facebook @Muthingi TV ningi ono ngikihũthĩra account yakwa @Murugijob waikia ndumiriri yaku hau nituguikorwo tukiaraniria njitikiria ngigikeria oro hanini ndugathiore mitambo